Rheem RTG-84XLN Tankless Water Heater. This versatile little water heater can be installed indoors and out, and it comes with freeze protection for temps as low as 30 below. Its fuel type is natural gas, and recirculation kit ready. One outstanding feature on the Rheem RTG-84XLN tankless water heater is the water-saving technology. Not only will this heater help you save money on your electric bill, it'll also help you conserve water. And the hot start programming means that this unit remains in the ready fire state to avoid cold water bursts and inconsistent heating. Thanks to the low flow activation, this water heater will deliver hot water even in low demand situations. Additionally, the burner meets all safety and low emission requirements of South Coast SCAQMD. Another great safety measure is the Overheat Film Wrap, which prevents the unit from potentially overheating. This is another heater with a Self-Diagnostic System, so you can feel confident knowing you'll be alerted to any potential or future issues should your water heater need maintenance. Overall, this is a high-quality, compact, tankless heater that utilizes smart features like water-saving tech and low-flow activation to save you money over time. Pros: water-saving technology, hot start programming, freeze protection, low-flow activation. Cons: not intended for large spaces.